Hi, so here is a DB-1 slip-on duckbill check valve. The size is 200.0mm, so will fit a pipe with the outside diameter of 200.0mm. It's got two W5 316 stainless steel T-bolt clamps on there. You can install with one or two of them, available in a certain size range with the T-bolt clamps. It's the DB-1 model, so flat bottom, flared top, curved bill end, curved bill there. Available in a large range of sizes. This one is neoprene rubber, can be manufactured in other rubber materials as well. Contact Dewater Products in Australia for more information. Thank you for watching.